these two fighting every time.
Yes. I think everybody is there, or who's missing? Ali is missing. Ali is always late in the class. Zainab is there. Zainab, hi Zainab. So she's connecting. Yes, Khadija.
Yes, pizza. Angel.
Okay, we will start with the class. It's 11:03. So we will start with the class. Okay.
Hi, Rushika.
Okay.
Swear Sayed is dizzy. Very dizzy.
For me?
Yeah, she's not.
Okay. Today we will not start with a new topic. We will revise the old ones. Yes, ma'am. Shazia ma'am, I can't hear you. We'll just do the revision of the the things we have done in the last classes, like 2D, 3D shapes and symmetry. We'll have a small small quiz type. Okay, I have small test for you guys. Okay, so what you will do, I will show a worksheet on a screen and you all will answer me one by one. Okay, and you have to maintain lot of discipline in the class. The marks would be for discipline also. Okay, Shazia ma'am, can you help me with the marks?
Yes, Vidhi ma'am. Ma'am, but I didn't heard what you said. I didn't hear what you said. Sorry.
Yeah. Shazia ma'am, actually I have a test type of a thing. I have few quizzes, few worksheets for them on
Okay.
2D, 3D shapes and symmetry.
Okay.
Okay, I will try 5 questions for each child. I'll give 5 questions to each child, and they have to maintain the discipline. They have to answer me very quickly. I will give only 10 seconds to for one question, 10 seconds for one question. Okay, and we will note down the marks for them.
Okay, fine. Absolutely fine. Umaima, later
So
on
let's
teach me how
start.
to do this, okay, Umaima?
Yes, even I want to. That is the angel one. I loved it.
Okay, so later on Thursday, they are going to teach me lot of things. Khatija is going to teach me. Yes, Khatija? Why Khatija's screen is turned off? Khatija, please turn on your screen.
I'm
And
also
Umar.
going to
And
teach
even Umar.
another thing.
Let's not waste the time. We will do this, okay? Quickly, what Vidhi ma'am has said.
Okay. I don't have these which you are putting on your face, Umaima. Add this too.
Okay, the time starts now. You have to maintain the discipline. Discipline is the important part of this quiz. Okay, and the first question is for the first 5 questions are for Mustafa. Mustafa, okay,
Yes.
you have to answer my questions. Okay,
Yes.
these are your 4 questions. Should I read it for you? Mustafa, should I read it for you? The first one is, tell me the number of edges, the number of faces, and the number of vertices.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
can't hear you clearly.
See, I am telling you, tell me the number of edges, the number of faces, the number of vertices. Can you read it on
Of
the
course.
screen?
Okay. I noted it on the screen.
No, you have to tell me the answer. Quickly.
Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Okay. You can see the screen. You have to see the screen.
4 edges, ma'am.
4 edges. Okay.
No, 4. 8.
8 edges.
Fi- Surface.
I'll help you with this because you can't see the other part of the shape. It's a square based
Four faces.
pyramid.
Four
Is it,
faces.
so 4 triangles are there. You know, there are 4 triangles and a square.
Yes. Four faces.
I said 4 triangles and 1 square. So how many faces does this make?
5.
5. Yes. And the vertices, can you count the corners? You know, there are
Yes.
4 corners and
1, 2, 3, 4. There are also 5.
5. Very good. But you are, you know, the answer with edges is wrong. Just, you know, recollect and count the edges of a square base prism. There are 4 triangles and a square at the base.
Square base prism.
Yeah.
I thought that first one.
Yeah, first one. This is the first one. Square base prism.
Edges.
Okay, go answer me the second one.
Second, the cube.
Cube, yes.
It has. I have to count. 8 plus 4. 12 edges
Very good.
and faces. How many squares? 6 squares. 6 faces.
Very good.
And vertices are 8 vertices, I think.
Okay, very good. The answer with cube is correct, but your time is up. You know, your time is up. You could only answer me 2 questions. Okay, so I'll move on to Musfira Rizwani now. Musfira Rizwani, the third one is for you. Yeah, I said I'll give you 10 seconds. I gave you more actually.
This two.
Cuboid. I am asking for cuboid. The edges, faces, and vertices for cuboid. Musfira Rizwani, can you see the cuboid? You have to tell me the number of edges, the number of faces, and the number of vertices.
Cuboid and cone.
Yes.
Okay.
Quickly.
Only edges, na?
No, edges, faces, and vertices.
Edges and vertices.
Yes, and faces also. Come on, fast.
Okay.
Come on, cuboid. Can I get a cube? Should I get a cuboid for you?
Yes.
Okay, give me a second.
Ma'am, I think edges is the 9.
This is the cuboid, you know.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 what?
6.
6 what?
6. 6 edges.
What do you mean by edge?
No, 6 faces. 6 faces.
Faces. Yes. Now you have to count the edges. You know, these edges.
Okay.
Okay, this is edge.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 edges.
Okay. And the vertices?
And the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
8 vertices. Okay, your time is up. You could answer only one question, but the edge, there are 12 edges in a cuboid, you know. You have to count it properly. So, you have given 2 correct answer with one object. Okay, good, Musfira Rizwani, but you have to, next time with the quiz, you have to speed it up, okay? Mana, next question. Next question is for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, there's a cone. You have to tell me the number of edges, the number of faces, and the number of vertices you can see in a cone.
Okay.
You have 1 minute, and in 1 minute, you know, I will see how many questions you can answer.
Okay. One face
One face,
and
edges,
edges. No edges.
okay,
And one vertex.
very good. The next question is this. This is again a square-based prism. Sorry, square-based pyramid. The square-based pyramid,
I cannot see properly.
it's a square-based pyramid. Okay. Now can you see?
Yes, I can see now. Edges.
It's a square-based.
Uh, 8 edges.
8 edges, okay.
5 faces.
5 faces, very good.
And 5 vertices.
Very good, Mana. You have answered me 2 questions and you have some more time left for it. You tell me the cylinder one.
2 faces of cylinder.
Huh?
And one curve face.
Very good.
That's it.
And the edges?
Edges, no edges.
No edges, no vertices. Very good. You have answered me. You have answered me 3 questions. Okay? The pyramid, the cone, and the cylinder. Very good, Mana. Okay? And your time is up. The next question is for Musfira Sayyed. Musfira Sayyed. Okay?
Yes.
Answer me the sphere one. The sphere.
Yes.
Number of edges, the number of yeah.
It has no edges. It is just one straight curve.
Okay, very good. No edges, okay. And faces,
Faces. It is full round.
so it has a face or no? It has 0 faces or what? What is the answer?
It don't have faces.
Okay, it don't have faces, okay. And vertices?
Vertices. No, there are no vertices.
Okay, very good. There are no vertices. There is one curved face and there are no edges, okay. And the next question is for you is this one. This one, the first one. Should I read it for you? Does this is first you have to tell me the name of this first shape.
Okay.
Okay, and you have to answer me yes or no. Okay. Does it have a circle as a face? First, tell me the name of the shape. Which is the shape?
It is a cube.
Cube. Very good. Now, does cube have a circle as a face?
Huh?
Does it have a circle as a face? I will not explain you the question, okay? I'll just read it for you. Does it have a circle as a face?
Yes, it have.
So in a cube, you can see.
Sorry, it don't have a circle like face.
Okay. Does it have a square as a face?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. See the second one now.
Okay.
I'll not ask you the name of the shape because I haven't taught you this, but you can watch it out. Okay. Does it have a triangle as a face?
Yes.
Okay. Does it have a square as a face?
No.
No. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Your time is up, and you have also given me 3 correct answers. Now the next turn is for Umema. Umema, can you name me the third shape?
Third shape is cylinder.
Okay. Can you tell me the faces? Number of faces?
There is one curved face and two circle faces.
2 flat faces. 2 flat faces. Very good,
Yes.
Umema.
Yes.
Okay. Does it
No
have a triangle?
vertex, no edge.
Very good. Does it have a triangle as a face?
No.
Okay. Does it have a circle as a face?
Yes.
Okay.
Circle as a face.
It has.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, can you answer me the fourth one?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Does it have a square as a face?
Yes.
It may have or it may not have.
Yeah. But on the side it has.
No, it does not.
No, it does not have.
It does not have. Okay. So does it have a triangle as a face?
No.
Okay. Remember the next question. You have given me 2 correct answers and you have some more time left. Can you tell me the number of faces in a triangular based pyramid? A triangular based
5.
pyramid. I am 5. Are you sure? When I say triangular base, there's a triangle at the base. Triangle at the
Can
base.
I tell?
No,
5.
Okay, 5 is your answer, okay? Remember the last answer is wrong, but the rest are correct and your time is up. You have also given me 3 correct quick answers, okay? The
But
next
ma'am, what was that?
I'll ask some
How
other.
does it not?
I'll tell you. Surely I'll tell you. Let me ask this question to others also, okay? Khadija, it's your turn now. Okay, can you see the 6th one?
Yes.
Okay, I won't ask you the name of the shape, but can you tell me, does it have a rectangle as a face? The 6th one.
Yes.
It has. Does it have a circle as a face?
No.
No. Very good.
No.
Now, the last one. Can you tell me the name of the shape? 7th one.
Cone.
Cone. Can you tell me the number of vertices?
Yes. 1.
1. Okay. Does it have a triangle as a face? It has a triangle
Yes.
as a face? Okay.
No.
Okay. Does it have a circle as a face? Come on, your time is...
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. You have given me 2 right answers and the third one is... Okay. Tell me the number of lines of symmetry you can have on the first figure.
What, ma'am?
Line of symmetry, the number of lines of symmetry you can draw on the first figure.
Okay.
Come on, fast. You have only 5 seconds left.
1,
You have
2,
to answer me. You have to answer me. You don't have to draw it. Huh?
4, 4.
Very good. And time is up. You have also given me 3 right answers. But, you know, okay. Yes.
It's written, hi Manha. Who is it?
I don't know.
I am Musfira Sayyed.
Suraj Sayyar, you have to concentrate on the class. You the marks will get, you know, I'll deduct the marks for this. I want discipline in the class. Okay. Okay. Next question is for Ali. Ali,
Yes.
Ali, can you draw a line of symmetry on this triangle? It is only a single line of symmetry.
Yes.
I can't. Okay, tell me the line of symmetry. What do you call this line of symmetry?
One line of symmetry.
You don't call it one line of symmetry. It's a standing line. Okay, what do you call this as?
No, you have to give a name to that line.
Yes, you have to give the name to that line, Ali.
Horizontal or something else.
Horizontal line.
Horizontal line is the wrong answer, Ali. Ali, the second.
Line.
Where is Ali? Yeah. No one will answer. I want only Ali to answer.
But she gets mad because I don't translate.
Okay, Ali, the second one. Second one.
Okay.
There's a lot of disturbance in the background. I want everybody to mute yourself. Ali, you give me the answer fast. Everybody else mute yourself.
The rectangle one.
Yes, rectangle one. And adjust your camera. I can't see your face, you know. Yes.
4.
4 lines of symmetry.
Yes.
Okay, the third one, the circle. Come on, your time is getting over.
Line of
What?
millions and trillions line of symmetry.
Very good. So, okay, you have one right answer. Even triangle one was correct, but you didn't give me the correct name. So I'll give you only one right answer with circle. Rectangle, you have given me a wrong answer. Rectangle does not have 4 lines of symmetry. You know. Okay. The next one is Zainab. Zainab.
4 point.
Zainab, can you tell me the number of symmetry on the rectangle? You don't have to draw it, just give me the answer.
2.
Then 2. Okay. And triangle? Zainab.
1.
1. What is the line called?
This line is symmetry.
Line of symmetry. But which line of symmetry? I said there are 3 lines of symmetry. One is the...
Horizontal line and vertical line.
Okay, so this is vertical or horizontal?
Horizontal. Vertical.
Vertical. Very good. It's a correct answer. Okay, so you have given me 2 correct answers. The third one is this one. The diamond shape. You just have to draw the line of symmetry. Come on. Diamond. You have to draw it fast, quickly.
9.13.
Okay?
Draw.
And that's it.
One more. This one.
Now, diamond, you are done. Diamond has only 1 line of symmetry.
No. Yes. No, 2.
Okay. 2. Then draw the second one. Okay. Good. Your time is up, and you also given me 3 right answers. Actually 4. No, 3. 3 right answers. And the next question is for Khatija. Khatija is done. Musfira. Musfira.
Ma'am, I am not done.
Mustafa, you have done. You're giving me the first answer. You were the first one to start, right? Musfira Sayyad.
Yes.
The next question is for you.
Okay.
No, the next question is for Umar. I'm sorry, Umar.
Okay.
Umar, the next question is for you. Umar, can you see the this shape, the sixth one
Which?
after diamond?
Yes.
Okay, draw the line of symmetry quickly.
Okay. 1 minute.
You have only 1 minute to answer 5 questions. See, okay. So, what is this line called? Okay, you can draw the horizontal line of symmetry also, the sleeping line. You can.
Yes.
So when you cut the figure in this horizontal with the help of horizontal line of symmetry, you get 2 equal halves. Can you see the 2
Yes.
equal halves with the sleeping line?
Yes.
Come on, Umar. Umar, when you draw a line of symmetry, there should be 2 equal halves. The same, you should get the same. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Okay. The next one, Umar, quickly. The next one.
What?
The
Line?
next figure. Yeah, line of symmetry with the next figure. This one.
This one?
To make the light, we have to make it sleeping.
You don't have to help him. Umar, with this figure, with this one, you have to draw the line of symmetry. Good. The next one.
The next one.
Come on, fast. The time is getting over.
Ma'am, the second one is half.
Okay, I'll ignore the second one. Okay, time is over. Okay, your time is over, and you have given me 2 right answers. Okay, so Mustafa, I'll give you other chance. Can you draw a line of symmetry on this shape?
Which shape?
The pentagon and the pentagon.
Ma'am, when is going
And
to
the
be my
pentagon.
turn?
Okay.
Now, after this, you have the chance. Next chance is for Musfira Sayyad.
Okay.
If you want, you can tell me the number also. Very good, Mustafa. Very good,
Done, ma'am.
very good. So, can you count it for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, there are 6
Eight.
lines. There are six. Not more than 6 lines. Very good, Mustafa. And Musfira Sayyad, the next one is for you.
Yes. Which one? Which shape?
The last figure, last one after
Okay.
pentagon, last one.
Okay. This. Straight.
Okay, only this one.
Yes.
You don't have.
Like this only.
Are you sure?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else? Mana, can you tell me
Yes, ma'am.
the line of symmetry on this figure? The last one. She has done only one, the vertical line of symmetry. And she says if this figure only can have one line of symmetry.
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Can it have more lines of symmetry? Can you draw some more?
Horizontal.
Draw it for me.
1 minute.
Yes.
I know which line it will be.
Which line? Okay. Okay. Now, this question is for everybody. I'll come one by one. Look at this figure, the last one. See, there's marks for discipline. You don't have to disturb me by doing this annotation all over again. Okay. See, last one. I'll come to everyone. You have to tell me the name
Ma'am,
of
can
the.
you erase it?
Yes.
Last one is a 4-1. Last one is a 4.
Okay. The last one.
This
I'll
whole line.
you don't have to draw it. You just have to give me the number. Okay. I'll come one by one to everyone. Zainab, what is your answer? The line of symmetry you can see on the last one. Zainab, how many lines of symmetry can you draw on this figure? You have to give me the answer. You don't have to annotate it. You have to give me the answer. If you want some time for thinking,
I can tell you.
who can tell me?
Ma'am.
Me. 4.
Okay.
Is a
Umema.
4.
Umema, tell me what is the answer? 4. Mustafa, what is the answer? Umema, your answer is 4. Okay. Mustafa, what is your answer?
Inch.
The line of symmetry you can draw on the last figure. How many lines of symmetry can you draw on the last figure? You think I'll come back to you? Musfira Sayyad? Musfira
2
Sayyad?
lines of symmetry.
Yes.
Mustafa, 2 lines of symmetry.
This one,
Mustafa Sayyad, how
this
many lines of
one.
symmetry can you draw on this? Okay, you don't have to draw it. Okay.
What,
Okay.
ma'am?
How many lines of symmetry can you have on the last figure?
2.
Mustafa, yours is 2. Last one. Yes. The question is for Musfira now. Okay, Mustafa, I got your answer. Umema, you said 4. Mustafa, you said 2. Okay.
No. Yes.
Musfira Sayyad, come on, give me the answer quickly, or else I'll come back to you. Just till then, think. Okay. Musfira Rizwani, what is your answer?
4.
4. Khadija, what is your answer? The line of symmetry you can draw on the last answer. Just unmute yourself. Khadija, unmute yourself.
6. Yes.
Khadija, your answer is 6. Okay. Umar, what is your answer?
I got 6. It is 2.
2. Okay.
What?
Umar, how many lines of symmetry can you draw on this last figure?
This plus 1.
Yeah, this plus 1.
1 minute, ma'am.
You don't have to draw it, Umar. You just have to. Okay. If you want, you can draw it.
It is 4 line of symmetry.
There's 4 lines of symmetry, but you have only drawn 6. You have drawn 6 lines of 2 lines of symmetry. You're drawing 2 lines of symmetry, and you're saying me there are 4 lines of symmetry.
But it is 4 line of symmetry.
Okay, your answer is 4 line of symmetry. Okay. Zainab, what is your answer? Zainab, what is your answer? Zainab,
What, ma'am?
what is your answer? You didn't give me your answer.
Yes.
How many lines of symmetry will this figure have?
Four.
4. Ali, what is your answer? Ali,
It's also four.
4. Okay.
Manhaj answered 4.
Mana, your answer is 4. Okay. So I will give you the correct answer. We can have this line of symmetry. Just I'll clear the drawing. We
And
can.
the last one, na?
Yes, last one.
Six.
Mana, your answer is 6. Okay. Ali, you don't have to draw it with me. Otherwise, you draw it. 2. Okay, it's 2. Okay.
Of symmetry.
6, ma'am.
Okay, Mana, your answer is 6. Okay, I heard it. The second line of symmetry. Okay. So we can cut it this way diagonally also. Okay. Mana, now can you draw the 5th and 6th line of symmetry for me? Mana,
What?
can you draw the 5th and 6th line of symmetry? You said 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So Mana, draw it for me.
It is a four line of symmetry.
Okay, Mana said 6, so we will see. No, Mana, you can't have 6 lines of symmetry. There are 4 lines of, because if I fold this way, I will not get 2 equal halves. There are 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, Mana?
I only tried first. It is four
Uh-huh.
line.
Yeah. You told me right. Very right.
But
Okay.
circle has 6 and 8 lines. na?
Yeah, circle has no 6. No, circle has infinite numbers of infinite. You can't even count it. There are too many lines of symmetry in a circle. Okay.
Circle is famous.
Unlimited and unlimited.
Unlimited. Yes.
Circle is famous.
Yes. Okay. So now I will draw a line of symmetry. You have to tell me right or wrong. Okay. I will do it for you, and you will say it's right or it's wrong. Okay.
Please, I don't understand.
I will draw the line of symmetry, and you have to tell me. You have to tell me it's right or it's wrong. I've done it right or I've done it wrong. Okay. Okay. First, let me clear. Okay. Umar, first one is for you.
What?
Umar, am I doing it right or am I doing it wrong?
You are doing wrong, ma'am.
Umayma, please don't do. Umayma
Ma'am,
and
only
Mana.
one is right. Ma'am, only one is right.
Okay, very good. Zainab, the second one is for you. Zainab. Zainab, am I doing it right or am I doing it wrong? Zainab.
22.53.
Zainab, I can't see you. Where are you?
You are doing wrong.
I want answer from Zainab. Only from Zainab. Zainab, I have done this line of symmetry on this heart, Is it, have I done it correctly? The heart one. No, it's wrong.
No.
It's wrong.
Wrong.
Okay.
Yes.
So, which is this the correct one?
This is the correct one.
Okay. And this line
This
is
is
called,
the correct one.
okay. And the correct line of symmetry is called the horizontal line of symmetry. Am I right? The heart has a,
No.
the heart has a. Okay. What is the correct answer then?
The correct answer is like this.
Okay, but what is horizontal is the correct answer. Mana,
Yes.
what is the correct answer? The horizontal line of symmetry or the vertical line of symmetry is the correct answer?
Vertical line of symmetry.
Okay. Now, Umema, the next question is for you. Okay. Umema, can you draw a line of symmetry on the star? And Mana, can you draw a line of symmetry on this pentagon? Umema, on the star?
Line of symmetry.
Yes. Umema will put on a star. Yes. Umema, you will do, not Umema, sorry. Mana, you will do on the pentagon. Umema, you on the star. Ali, can you draw it on the circle? On the circle.
The screen. I cannot see the screen.
Cannot see the screen. Okay.
Ma'am,
Mustafa,
I'm done doing the star.
that's it. It only has one line of line of symmetry.
See the screen. Now
Ali,
I
what
can
see the-
see the screen.
Okay, Ali, then draw it on the
Yes.
circle. Mustafa, can you complete it on star? Can you have more lines of symmetry on a star? Mustafa.
Yes.
Khadija, can you draw a line of symmetry on the figure? On the figure after below the this heart, this one. I should have numbered it.
Ma'am,
Yes, Khadija.
Muskira Rizwani.
Muskura Rizwani, yes, I'm coming back to you.
I'm done.
Khadija, very good. Khadija, okay. Khadija, I have got your answer. Okay. Now, Ali, that's it. That's it. Good.
Ma'am,
And Musfira Rizwani, can you draw? Can you draw a line of symmetry on this one?
Okay. Done.
Very good. Musfira Sayyed, can you draw a line of symmetry on this one?
Beta.
Umar, can you draw a line of symmetry on this one?
Circle.
Oval. It's an oval. It's not a circle.
Oval.
Musfira Sayyed to draw on that shape.
Musfira Sayyed will draw on this shape.
Yes, this shape. Okay.
Ali, you can stop doing it. And
Wait, ma'am. 56 now.
Umar, very good. Can only have one line of symmetry.
No.
Umar, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, good. Umar, your answer is right. Your answer is correct. But yes,
Shape you wanted.
sorry. Musfira Rizwani, did you do this?
What?
Are you done with it? You have one line of symmetry.
Yes.
Very good. It's a correct answer. Khadija, your answer is wrong because it cannot have a line of symmetry. This figure cannot have a line of symmetry. I'll clear all the drawings. I'll come one by one. Okay. This one cannot have a line of symmetry. This figure, if I draw a line of symmetry like this, when you fold it, they won't, they won't overlap each other. They won't, they won't. If you fold it, it doesn't overlap each other completely. Everybody, pay attention. This one has zero line of symmetry. This shape is called parallelogram. I don't want to get, remember the name of the shape, but you can at least when you draw a line of a symmetry, you have to be very attentive that it should overlap each other. When you fold it, it should have, yes, very good, Khadija. It has zero line of symmetry. Yes, Mustara Rizwani. Yes, it has two lines of symmetry. And star one, Umaima, how many lines can you draw with a star if you fold it? If you fold it horizontally, diagonally. What about if you start folding it diagonally? Umaima, see, I'll draw the line of symmetry for the star. No, are you sure?
No. Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. But we can draw a line of symmetry. We can draw a line of symmetry. Even with diagonally, we can draw a line of symmetry.
Cannot, but I knew only that one, ma'am.
Okay. I'm drawing a star for you guys. Okay, so we can have a line of symmetry.
Anybody cannot make a star like that one. Yeah, I make a star. Ali, that's cheating. I can also make.
Okay, good.
It's too hard to make a star.
It's actually quite hard.
Oh yes,
Okay, no issues. We'll do it with this one only.
in laptop there is too easy to make. See,
Yes.
I just click and do it. 0.7. So simple.
Yes. But I want a neat star. I want a very neat star, so that I can show the line of symmetry. Okay,
You
come on.
want a very, very, very neat star? See,
Yes, I want a-
this is the neat star. Wait, I'll make it. Wait,
I don't want anyone to make star. Okay, now with the quiz part, I will say everybody was very, very, very quick to answer, and I feel that you have to study more about faces, and some of you have to study more about faces and the vertices. Rest everyone was very quick, so everybody has given me correct answers. So next time we'll learn about some new concepts. Okay, come on. Now take a break, take a glass of water, have your breakfast, and get ready for the next class. Okay? Okay? Come on.
breakfast right
everybody.
now, ma'am.
If if you had your
This
breakfast,
is arts, ma'am.
maths. Arts. Okay, I know. After maths class, you have an arts class. Okay? So take a small break, have a glass of water, have some breakfast if you didn't have.
This is not a water.
There's a glass of water. This is
No,
a
it
cup
is
water.
not a
Yeah, this is water. Okay?
yeah. No, we can't.
For you.
We can't hear you. I can make a sugar and
Now can you all hear me? Come on,
Yes,
quickly get all your ingredients and materials ready for your art class quickly. Yes. Okay, Umaima is already ready.
what we want.
Okay. Should I end the meet for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, bye everyone.
Hi, everybody.